the objects and what are the menu are available. Okay, so here we are discussing like what are the options you can display. Okay, either text, key text or key. Next option you can see global search. If you double click here, this is called global search. If you want,
Okay.
if you want to search any object in BW or HANA Studio, you can search. Let's see, I am going to search zero material. Okay, so it will be globally, you can search any object. If you search it, you will see here. See, you will get it here, this search. Okay, so whenever you are going to search anything, will display here under search options here. You can see search.
Okay.
Okay, so under search you will see material are there. You see these are the not technical. If you switch on your technical key, you will available here. See now you can see your
Okay. Okay.
material and technical all are available. Zero material and this
Okay.
both are available. All are related to it will display here like a DTP, data source, transformation, everything will going to here display here. This is the search options. Similarly, if you want any property, you can see here, you can see if you want to check the property of any objects, so you can here, if you double click, let's see, I'll come into the search. If you want to zero material, double click in this zero material, see it is opening now.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, so it is zero material, yes, you can see zero material is opened, and this is called a, you can see here tab is open, zero material.
Yes.
You can just navigate and you can have here one option called link with editor. Link with editor, if you click this, okay, so particular zero material in the left panel will mark. Okay, it means it will directly goes to that object. You can see if you click this one,
Okay. Okay.
directly move into your particular zero material here. You see, if you drill this one, you will see here your zero material is available here. So this is the way
Okay.
how we can search the objects and how can find your objects within your SAP modeling, SAP BW HANA
Okay.
modeling, right? So this is the way, okay, we can find it. Some in case, okay, let's see, I have find here, if double click on this, in case any, in case your any menu or something here is missed, I'll tell you, if any case like a property is missed, it somehow it is not available. Let's see, I close it, so it is not display here. Even let's see, history, it's closed. So if I want to bring this to missing tab or menu here, so how will return back? So you can have here, go to window, under window you will have show view other. Okay, you can find it here, options. Okay, so
Business
here,
warehouse.
sorry,
Business warehouse.
correct, absolutely right, yes, here, yeah, here you will have a all the options is available like business warehouse
Okay.
or, okay, so wait a minute, I think business or general, these are general. Okay, this is not related to business warehouse, this is related to general. You can see property is there, right? You can open it. See your open is back now. History, if you want to back, go here,
Okay.
so here, okay, and here history would be there somehow, somewhere is a history is there, so you can search that history template, whatever is there, bookmarks, it is not there like history, it is there something like problem. Okay, or you can search it here somehow, history, see history is there. Okay, you can select anyone, if this history or this history, this history I would like to click open, see history is
Okay.
back,
Okay.
right? So this is the way how we can uh, return back if somehow deleted these things. So you will go here, so appearance other, you will have a lot of options here. Okay, any options it is missed or is removed by mistakes, you will find it here top of here, or you can go general, okay, and find your that options. So generally these
Okay.
are general menu are here under this. Okay, So this is okay, and you can see here these are more options are available. You will see maximize, minimize options are there. If you let's see minimize,
Okay.
so it will see in the right panel is going to minimize. Okay, see here right panel. If you go
Okay.
restore, it will back restore. If you want to
Ah,
maximize, see it is going to maximize. Again, you
okay.
want to
Okay.
restore, it will back to restore. Okay, if you want to minimize, see minimize, maximize, restores, whatever you want. I want to restore it will back to restore.
Okay.
So these are the basically basics. Okay, we have options are available. So day by day you will have a flexible ones start working, or day by day, okay, with practice with this system you will have very friendly with this. Okay, so now,
Okay.
so next we have a project explorer. You can see you will have a lot of options under project explorer. So what whenever you are going to work, you have to open your projects, BW projects. Okay, so already we are working with this project. So it can be multiple project, you can open it, multiple users, multiples you can open it, the projects. Okay, and start working with
Okay.
your projects. But end of the day, if you want to log off the system, okay, then how we can go? You can go file here, or yeah, this menu here will one options will be here to close it. Okay, so if you right click here, see you'll have options. Okay, see
Okay.
we have property options, we have a refresh options, we have a delete options. Okay, we have a close projects. Okay,
Okay.
if you want, or let's say I don't want to work right now, I want to close this, so you can close this one. See, it is closed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but once tomorrow you back, okay, you want to work with this, just double click here, put it here passwords, whatever your latest password is there for system, you can here. I'm going to, now you can see I'm back. Okay,
Okay.
again I am going to log in it. So now here it is a project explorer. Under this you will have a projects, under this you will have favorite. So what do you mean by favorite? Favorite is a kind of folder where can your personal things, or whatever the important bookmark, you can make it here. Okay, but BW repository, it has all the objects will store here under BW object tree, every objects like your data source, your source system, transformation, DTP, info source, everything will store under here BW
Okay.
repository. Okay, so but if you want to store something in the on some like a frequently used object or bookmark object, you can add under favorite. So I will tell you how we can bookmark. Now third is a data source. So data source
Okay.
basically is a area, okay, which can interface directly to the your source system. So whenever you are going to load the data from S4 HANA or flat file or any third party tool, this is the place where can stored. Here all the source system is available like
Okay.
ODP BW system. So I will tell you what is ODP. So ODP is the framework to extract the data from S4 HANA. So all the data source you will see under this source system. SAP source system, whatever the data source is available under, comes under this ODP framework source system. Even flat file here available. See, all the flat file source system is this. So you can create the source system flat file whenever you required to load the data from flat file. So I will tell you how can we use to create a source system to use to extract the data from flat file. So if you
Okay.
have any database, HANA database, you want to extract the data from HANA, you can have a HANA local data database. We have a HANA SDA smart data source system. So these are the basically data source and source system you can use to extract the data. So we will tell you how can use this to load the data.